Hey there, I'm Scott Sery. I'm the founder of Know to Grow, where I show you how you can go from having no idea how to make money on your own to growing that idea and ultimately live life however you want to. There's an ancient Greek historian and philosopher that went by the name of Thucydides. His big claim to fame was this immense volume of works that recounts the Peloponnesian War between Sparta and Athens. This war spanned almost 3 decades, and Thucydides has an 8-volume work on the details of the war. Historians regard it as the finest works of history ever written. Full disclosure, I haven't read the whole thing. I read like this much of it. And I probably won't ever read it because it's not my jam. If you really want to, it's actually available online for free, and I'll link to it in the description. The same dude has other writings as well. And while this quote isn't from the history of the Peloponnesian War, he once wrote, "The secret to happiness is freedom, and the secret to freedom is courage." Now, in this day and age, that can be wildly misconstrued as being courageous to stand up to those evil government workers that are trying to repress us. But really, it's much deeper and much longer lasting than that. Think about your life. What is something you have to do that takes courage? For me personally, I am very introverted, and I'm not really fond of networking and meeting new people and the whole prospecting for clients side of the business. It's draining on me, it's mentally taxing, and if I could just snap my fingers and have all the work I would ever need with no balking at the prices I charge, I'd never network again. I'd probably rarely leave the house. But that's not how things work. So when the opportunities come up, I put on my courage hat and I network to make the connections that I need in order to stay in business. Because using that courage, I make the money that I deserve. And with that money, I live a life of freedom as my own boss. Courage to other people means different things though. For some of you, talking to people and meeting new people is easy, it's fun, and it's invigorating. But on the other hand, maybe for you, the hard part about starting a business is all of those little details that are required. There's a lot of planning and organization and systems that need put into place. It takes courage to buckle down and do them. But the result of that courage is the freedom to live life on your terms. Of course, you can always hire people to do the stuff you don't like to do. But that also takes courage that your idea is going to work out and make you money, because if you're spending money, you need to have something coming in. Courage is facing our fears head on. It's tackling those jobs, projects, or things that you just don't want to do, but you do them anyway. I'm here to give you a nudge if you're struggling finding the courage to stand up to your boss because you're paid far less than you're worth. That nudge is to nudge you over to knowtogrow.com. Sign up there for free. From there, I'll teach you exactly how to use the skills that you already have, how to make money with them, and so that in the end, you can stand up to your boss. Because even if you lose that job, you have another means of making money and providing for yourself. So what's holding you back from taking that first courageous step? By the way, it takes a little courage of me to ask, but can you please like, comment, and subscribe? It really helps me keep these videos coming to you.